Hello friends, welcome to our channel.
Chapter 2 Exploring Substances Acidic, Basic and Neutral. 30 MCQs. Question number 1. What color does blue litmus turn when dipped in acid? Answer B. Red. Question number 2. Which of these is an indicator? Answer C. Litmus. Question number 3. Which of these turn red litmus blue? Answer C. Basic solution. Question number 4. Turmeric indicator turns dash in basic solutions. Answer B. Reddish brown. Question number 5. Which of these is used to test for acidity? Answer C. Blue litmus. Question number 6. Lactic acid is found in. Answer C. Curd. Question number 7. A colorless and neutral liquid is. Answer B. Water. Question number 8. Which of the following is bitter in taste? Answer C. Base. Question number 9. Which indicator is obtained from a plant? Answer C. Turmeric. Question number 10. Milk of magnesia is. Answer B. Base. Question number 11. Which of the following is a neutral salt? Answer A. Sodium chloride. Question number 12. Acidic soil is treated with. Answer B. Lime. Question number 13. A substance that turns red litmus paper blue is called. Answer B. Base. Question number 14. Which of the following is a strong acid? Answer C. Hydrochloric acid. Question number 15. Lime water is. Answer B. Base. Question number 16. Which one of the following substances is used as a base in the laboratory? Answer B. Sodium hydroxide. Question number 17. Excess acidity in stomach can be treated by. Answer B. Antacids. Question number 18. A solution with pH equal to 7 is. Answer neutral. Question number 19. Phenolphthalein turns dash in a basic solution. Pink in a basic solution. Question number 20. A base has a dash taste. Answer C. Bitter taste. Question number 21. Which of the following is used to reduce acidity in soil? Answer C. Lime. Question number 22. Which of these indicates both acidity and basicity? Answer B. Litmus. Question number 23. Neutralization produces. Answer B. Salt plus water. Question number 24. Which substance does not change the color of litmus paper? Answer C. Neutral substance. Question number 25. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Answer A. Question number 26. Which of the following is an acidic substance? Answer B. Lemon juice. Question number 27. Which of these turns blue litmus red? Answer C. Acidic solution. Question number 28. Vinegar contains. Answer A. Acetic acid. Question number 29. Turmeric is dash family. Answer A. Ginger. Question number 30. Soap solution is dash. Answer B. Basic.
Thank you.